The patient presented himself with complete maxillary edentulism and 6 implants already placed in the upper jaw. The virtual tooth setup in the Zirkonzahn.Galleries software revealed palatal-inclined implants. To strike a balance between function, stability and aesthetics in the final restoration, the Bartplatte, a design-specific bar, was produced to screw the structure in place. The design of the primary structure incorporated an innovative CAD/CAM workflow. Through the advanced function of the bar's module, the primary structure was geometrically adapted to the palatal surface of the wax-up and individualized by means of the free-forming function. Further bar retentions were then generated with the attachment module, and the bar was milled in the M2 dual telescoper milling unit. The bar digitization provided the basis for the modeling of the final superstructure, which was milled in Abro basic resin, layered with gingiva composites and then bonded to the bar. This case shows how with the Bartplatte, it is possible to produce aesthetically pleasing restorations in case of palatal-inclined implants.